We're here on the inlet side of Garden City, South Carolina. More on the, I don't know why there's a pool guy going around here. There's nothing you need to be doing in a pool that can chance your life safety. We got some good gust and wind here. Murrells Inlet is filling up. Again, we're only 2 to 3 hours away from high tide, but that's already past the high tide mark there on the docks. If you look at the water line across the way there, water is rising. Right now the road is somewhat dry. There's no puddles, no big puddles. You can walk through that. Maybe not with a flip-flop, but flowing a little bit more here. That guy had his slides out in his RV and decided he wasn't going to have any of that. The boat is doing pretty decent. We got generators, we got chairs knocked over. We're going to be perfectly fine here, people. Perfectly fine.